That's going fast.
Yeah, it's another launch.
There was a launch not too long ago.
It's like a person putting a paintbrush and painting on our sky.
That's really
You guys
cool.
see?
Oh, it's like someone's painting on our sky.
Wow. You can see him. He's totally breaking the atmosphere.
That's so cool.
Oh, something dropped off that looks like.
Oh yeah, like that. The drone.
They're going so fast.
I've never seen that before.
That is crazy.
We actually saw it just last night, but not like this scary.
Yeah, it's way closer.
Well, it's getting big.
Oh yeah, that big. Why is it getting so big?
I don't know, you can see like those little things. Those must be the boosters breaking off. It's crazy how far out the trail goes.
Really? Yeah. Looks like a baseball bat.
Yeah.
It's going almost horizontal.
You can see the boosters are like doing something.
Yeah.
Are they coming back to Earth?
Sorry.
Oh yeah.
We just saw this not too long ago.
It's like someone's shining a flashlight. That's crazy.
This is the best view.
Best view because it's dark.
Oh, do you see those
Oh,
light
there's a booster. It looks like
I
it's coming
think
down.
those are troopers. Dad, I think those are troopers.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen this before?
No.
No?
I've never seen that.
You've never seen a rocket?
Look at the eye, Titus.
Yeah, the heart is
I don't know what it is.
going. Oh my goodness, that was big. Well, it's starting to disappear.
Yeah, because it's gonna go into the dark. Right now it's still in the light of the sun.
Looks like it's going down.
It does. Oh, that's so.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Gotta move over.
Yeah, going down. Oh, it disappeared. It's going down.
I wonder where the boosters went. Did they just fall back to the earth for a while and
They're
then
not windy.
You just track them.
it's almost gone?
Look, it's turning orange.
Oh, this thing more.
That means a fire. Hi, how is it looking?
We're not gonna see it for much longer.
We're turning red. We're turning red.
Yeah, it's like way down there.
It's turning red. Why is
Guys,
it
we're gonna lose it.
I mean, that's pretty much gone. That's awesome.
It looks like a baseball bat.
What do you guys think about that? It looks like a baseball bat?
Oh, I did a little bit.
It used to.
Oh, I see where it gets wider.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. Titus, are you the one who saw it?
Yeah. Oh, no.
Good eye. He goes, oh, it's a rocket.
Yeah. I really will walk.
Yeah, that was so cool.